Hey everyone, my name is Matt and welcome back to Texan Prepper. Today, we're diving into how to build a comprehensive emergency medical kit. Having an emergency medical supply setup can be a lifesaver during emergencies when professional medical help might not be immediately available. We'll cover essential over-the-counter medications and medical supplies that you should have on hand. We're going to look at a wide range of supplies, but obviously healthcare is very personal to each individual. Focus on what you and your family will need first before branching out. Make sure to stick around until the end where we'll go over courses and resources to help you be better prepared. Let's get started. Let's begin with some essential over-the-counter medications that should be a part of any prepper's emergency medical kit. Having these over-the-counter medications on hand can help you handle a wide range of common ailments and ensure you're prepared for various medical situations. Pain relievers like ibuprofen, Tylenol, and aspirin are essential for managing pain, reducing fevers, and relieving inflammation. They are versatile medications that can address many common issues. Antihistamines or allergy medications such as Benadryl and Claritin can help manage allergic reactions and symptoms. These medications are crucial for anyone with allergies or sensitivities. Antacids and stomach remedies like Tums, Rolaids, Pepcid, and Pepto-Bismol are important for treating heartburn, acid reflux, indigestion, and upset stomach. When changing your diet to your emergency food supply, you may experience stomach issues, and these remedies can help manage those symptoms. Antidiarrheal medication like Imodium is essential for treating diarrhea and preventing dehydration. Keeping this on hand can help manage gastrointestinal issues effectively. Oral rehydration salts are crucial for replenishing electrolytes or fluids lost during illness or dehydration. They are especially important for treating severe dehydration. Cough and cold remedy medications such as Robitussin for coughs and Sudafed for nasal congestion can provide relief during respiratory infections. These medications can help alleviate uncomfortable symptoms. Topical antibiotic ointments like Neosporin are important for preventing infection and minor cuts and scrapes. Applying these ointments help wounds heal faster and relieve pain. Bleed Stop is a hemostatic agent that helps control severe bleeding quickly. It's an essential addition to any emergency medical kit for treating traumatic injuries. Hydrocortisone cream is useful for reducing inflammation and itching from insect bites, rashes, or allergic reactions. It's a versatile cream for many skin irritations. Antifungal treatment medications like Lotrimin are essential for treating fungal infections such as athlete's foot and ringworm. These medications help clear up infections quickly. Anti-nausea medication like Dramamine can help manage nausea and motion sickness. They are crucial for maintaining comfort during travel or illness. Eardrops can help treat minor ear infections, relieve pain, and remove earwax buildup. They're essential for maintaining ear health. Burn cream helps treat minor burns and prevent infection. It's an essential addition for treating thermal injuries. Eye drops can provide relief from dryness, irritation, and allergies. They are important for maintaining eye health, especially in dry and dusty environments. If you wear contacts, be sure to stock up on extra contact lens solution. It's crucial to stock up on dental care products like toothpaste and other dental medications. Products containing benzocaine such as Orgel can provide numbing relief for toothaches and other dental pain. Maintaining oral hygiene is essential as dental issues can be incredibly painful and disruptive, especially during an emergency. Potassium iodide tablets, such as ThyroSafe, are important for protecting the thyroid gland from radiation exposure. They should be included in your kit in case of a radiological emergency, such as a nuclear event, or if you live near a nuclear facility. In addition to over-the-counter medications, having a supply of antibiotics can be crucial for treating infections when professional medical help is not immediately available. The Jase case provides a collection of emergency antibiotics prescribed specifically to you by a healthcare provider. They can also prescribe you long-term prescription medications as long as they are not controlled substances. This can be a lifesaver in situations where access to medical care is limited. Contingency Medical is a similar service to Jay's case, providing a supply of emergency antibiotics. I have only heard good things about them, so I just wanted to mention them as another option. Fish antibiotics, such as fish mocks, are often used by preppers as an alternative source of antibiotics. While they are the exact same as the antibiotics prescribed to humans, I have to say they should be used with caution. Let's now cover some general medical supplies, the basics that should be in every prepper's emergency medical kit. Band-aids are essential for covering small cuts, blisters, and abrasions. They protect the wound from infection and promote healing. Sterile gauze pads are used to cover and protect large wounds. They help absorb blood and fluids, keeping the wound clean and promoting healing. Medical tape is used to secure gauze pads and bandages in place. It's designed to stick well to the skin and hold dressing securely over wounds. Tourniquets are essential for controlling severe bleeding. They can save lives by stopping excessive blood loss. Wound closures close small wounds without needing stitches. They help heal wounds by keeping the edges together. Splints and braces immobilize injuries to prevent further damage. They're crucial for stabilizing fractures or severe sprains. A SAM splint is versatile and moldable, ideal for stabilizing broken bones. It's lightweight and easy to use in various emergency situations. Emergency blankets keep someone warm if they're in shock or exposed to cold. They reflect body heat and are compact enough to carry anywhere. A thermometer helps monitor body temperature for detecting fever. Keeping track of body temperature is critical in diagnosing illnesses. A no-touch thermometer allows you to take accurate temperature readings without physical contact, reducing the risk of cross-contamination and making it ideal for use with multiple people. Liquid bandages provide a flexible seal over small cuts and wounds. They are waterproof and protect wounds from infection while allowing them to heal. Moleskin prevents blisters and protects sensitive areas. It's a must-have for preventing and treating blisters, especially during prolonged physical activity. Large safety pins are useful for securing bandages or slings. They're simple tools but very effective in emergencies. Suction devices clear airways in emergencies. They're essential for maintaining an open airway, especially in cases of choking or respiratory distress. Tongue depressors are useful for oral exams and can double as small splints. They're versatile tools and can assist in various medical procedures. Cotton-tipped applicators are for applying ointments and cleaning wounds. They're essential for maintaining hygiene and applying medications precisely. A dental repair kit is handy for temporary fixes of dental issues. It can prevent pain and further damage until professional help is available. A glasses repair kit is useful for fixing broken eyeglasses. It's essential for those who rely on their glasses daily. Next, we have various instruments and devices that are essential for diagnosing and treating injuries. Curved hemostats are used to control bleeding by clamping blood vessels. They're also useful for holding tissue during suturing. Straight hemostats serve a similar purpose but offer different angles for use. They're great for precise clamping and controlling blood flow. EMT shears are heavy-duty scissors for cutting clothing and bandages quickly. They're designed to cut through tough materials without injuring the patient. A suture set is necessary for stitching up deep cuts and wounds. Consider buying a practice set to learn how to suture properly, which can be a life-saving skill in emergencies. Skin probes help in examining wounds and removing foreign objects embedded under the skin. They're essential for thorough wound inspection. Disposable scalpels are used for making precise cuts during wound cleaning and debris removal. Always have a few sterile ones available. A pen light is handy for checking pupil response and examining wounds in low light conditions. It's a simple but essential diagnostic tool. Monitoring blood pressure is crucial, especially in emergencies. High or low blood pressure can indicate serious health issues that need immediate attention. A stethoscope is used to listen to heartbeats, lung sounds, and other internal sounds. It's indispensable for assessing a patient's condition. Pulse oximeters measure the oxygen level in the blood, vital for respiratory emergencies. They help ensure that the patient is getting enough oxygen. An otoscope is used for examining ears for infections or blockages. It helps diagnose ear problems that could lead to more severe issues if left untreated. A TENS unit provides pain relief through electrical stimulation. It's a useful device for managing chronic pain without medication. An AED is crucial for heart emergencies, offering a life-saving shock if necessary. Knowing how to use an AED can make a significant difference in cardiac emergencies. Irrigation syringes are used for cleaning wounds by flushing out debris with sterile solution. They're essential for keeping wounds clean and preventing infection. Now, let's discuss mobility aids, which are crucial for anyone with injuries that affect movement. Wheelchairs are essential for those who cannot walk due to injury or illness. They provide mobility and independence in challenging situations. Walkers provide stability for those who can walk but need extra support. They're helpful for individuals recovering from surgery or dealing with balance issues. Crutches support weight when one leg is injured or recovering from surgery. They allow for mobility while keeping weight off the injured limb. Let's cover protective gear, which is crucial for ensuring safety during any medical procedure. Examiner gloves are essential for basic protection when handling minor wounds or performing routine checks. Always ensure you have plenty of these on hand to prevent contamination. Use sterile gloves for more invasive procedures to prevent infection. They're critical when dealing with open wounds or performing minor surgical tasks. N95 masks are important for protecting against airborne particles, especially during respiratory issues or infections. They filter out 95% of airborne particles, offering significant protection. Knowing how to use your medical supplies is just as important as having them. Here are some essential courses that can help you be prepared for various medical procedures. A basic first aid kit covers essential skills like wound care, treating burns, and handling fractures. It's a great starting point for anyone looking to be prepared. The American Red Cross offers comprehensive first aid courses both online and in person. CPR training is vital for responding to cardiac emergencies. It teaches you how to perform chest compressions and rescue breathing to save a life. The American Heart Association and the Red Cross both offer excellent CPR certification courses. Learning how to control severe bleeding can be a lifesaver. Courses like Stop the Bleed teach you how to use tourniquets and apply pressure to wounds effectively. This course is widely available and can often be found through local hospitals or community centers. For those who spend time outdoors, Wilderness First Aid covers medical care in remote locations where professional help might not be available immediately. Organizations like the National Outdoor Leadership School and REI offer specialized wilderness first aid courses. In addition to these courses, I also recommend the Survival Medicine Handbook by Dr. Bones and Nurse Amy as an excellent resource for learning how to handle medical emergencies in various situations. This book is packed with practical advice and detailed instructions that can be invaluable in an emergency. Having a well-stocked emergency medical supply is a critical component of emergency preparedness. Make sure that you not only have these supplies, but that you know how to use them. I've provided links in the description for all the supplies we've covered in this video, as well as links to various courses where you can learn essential medical skills. Let me know in the comment section below how well stocked your medical supplies are. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and subscribe to Texan Prepper for more tips on emergency preparedness. Stay safe and keep prepping.